Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com. Today we're taking a very quick look at and installing the MP Concepts door striker cover set in black, available for the 08 and newer Challenger. Now if you're like me and you pop open your doors for your Challenger and you hate the look of the door striker pins inside of that door panel there, just because they're a raw, almost unfinished material, this is going to be a great way to cover that up and stylize it a bit more. Now to some folks it might seem so inconspicuous, so out of the way, why would you even bother? But if you're very meticulous with the details of the interior appearance of your Challenger, then this is one of those things that, in my opinion, just needs some taking care of. This is a very cheap and easy way to just cover it up with an affordable rubberized material. Now this is actually an injection molded rubberized material made using OEM CAD data from Dodge to make sure that it is a perfect fit every time to the striker pin. Now this rubberized material is going to pop right on over the striker itself and cover up the backing there so the striker is unobstructed. Every time you open and close your door, it's going to operate as normal, but when the door's open, it just looks a little bit more complete. Now in terms of the price tag, it's really affordable, comes in right around 50 bucks for the set, and you get of course 2 of them for your coupe. Now the install, I'm giving 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter here. It'll take you about 5 minutes or less from start to finish. It's extremely simple. There's no tape, there's no removal, there's no drilling, no cutting, none of that nonsense. It literally snaps right into place, 30 seconds each side. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Let's get started. All right, so this is gonna arguably be the easiest install of your life. You're just gonna pop your door open. On the inside of the door panel there, of course, is your striker pin. What you wanna do is take the plastic cover, pop it over the striker itself, and it snaps right in place. Shut your door, and you're good to go. Repeat that on the other side. That's going to wrap up my review and install for the MP Concepts door striker cover set, available in black for the 08 and newer Challenger. Get yours right here at AmericanMuscle.com.